So this is FlueSnug. It's designed for a 152mm core drilled hole, exactly the same as the 110mm. And it works with all standard 100mm boiler flues. So I've got my core drilled hole ready for my flue. Obviously the way you would currently install a flue, where you push it through and you've got to point around that, which is a pain to do. It takes time, it's messy. I simply get the FlueSnug, push it into the core drilled hole, and that's in there nice and secure. So the fins on the FlueSnug have created the airtight barrier already inside the bore of the hole, and we're now ready to install the flue straight away. It's so clean, it's neat, there's no mess, and it took 2 seconds to install. So let me show you. I can install the flue either from the inside, pushing it out, get it to the right position, and that's job done. Or alternatively, if you want to be doing it from the outside in, exactly the same, push it in, get it to the right position, nice and secure. I would also have my other FlueSnug on the inside, and that would be holding it all securely, nice and tightly in place.